Good morning, children. Today, in this session of computer science, we are going to study about managing files and folders. But before that, tell me, how do you keep your notebooks, books, files, papers, clothes, everything at home? I'm sure you have a very nice cupboard and you arrange everything properly in cupboards. In cupboard, there are sections where you segregate your things accordingly and keep it in sections so that you can have them quickly whenever you want, right? Similarly, in computers also, when we make our files and folders, we arrange them and keep them in properly in different sections. We arrange them, okay, so that we can get our files quickly whenever we want them to. So in this session of Windows 10 managing files and folders, we are going to study how to save our files and folders in computer and how to manage them effectively. In this session, we will study about what Windows Explorer is, what are files, folders and drives, and what are the differences between them. So once you have made the file or folder in computer, there are several ways you can locate them and have them whenever you want. But the most effective way is to use File Explorer. See, this yellow icon on the taskbar is called File Explorer icon. It was previously known as Windows Explorer. Now in Windows 10 we call it File Explorer. Explore means to search, to navigate and find out things at a certain place. File Explorer is designed to search and manage files on system. We can easily navigate from one folder to another and search for our files. When you click on this button, your window will open and it will look something like this. There are tabs with ribbon. There is an address bar where you will see where the file is placed in the system. There is a search box. You can search your file by type. If you know the name of the file, you can search it by clicking on it. And then there is a left pane called navigation pane. Navigation pane, there are basically two parts of this window. Navigation pane on the left side, which give you access to libraries of documents, pictures, storage devices, everything. When you click on a particular drive or a folder over here, the files and subfolders in that file are being shown or displayed on the right side of the window. We can get all the drives and folders over here on the navigation pane. We can even get the network devices. If your computer is on network, then you can get over all the network devices that are connected to your computer. You can even get your pen drives and CDs that are connected to your computer over here. Okay, so entire thing that is there on the computer, you can search and navigate over here. Fine. For an example, let's say this is desktop icon on the left side. When you click on it, you can get all the files and folders and softwares that are there on the desktop on the right side. So children, I want you to, if you have system, computer, desktop or laptop, you click on this file and Windows Explorer and just find out how it looks, and try clicking on certain folders and see what effect it shows on the screen. Now, when you click on this PC on the left side of the File Explorer, you will see these drives over here. Okay, local disk C drive, data drive D drive, backup F drive. Now what is a drive? Drive is a location that is used to store information. It can be a files, folders, it can be the softwares that are there on your computer. Everything you can find it over here in these drives. There is always local disk C drive on the system. Okay, it is always there by default, while you can have more than one other drives, that is D drive, E drive, F drive, depending on how your memory is being divided. Okay, so it's always suggested that in C drives you never save your folder or file, because in C drive is specially dedicated to all the softwares that are there on the installed on the system. Okay, so whenever your system crashes or there is some kind of problem, it the C drive is being reinstalled. Okay, so if that is the case, all your other files and folders on the system that you have saved in C drive will go away. Okay, so it's always suggested you save your files and folders in all the other drives. Now, file. What is a file? A single document which has several pages is called a file. If you're typing something on MS Word or Notepad, if you are making a picture in MS Paint, if you are saving your photograph on computer, if you are saving a video or a movie on computer, these all are files. File is a single document that gives you a specific information that you have done. Okay, while folder is like a group of files when collected together and kept it at one place, it becomes a folder. All the yellow icons that you see are the folders, while this JPG image is a file. Okay, so folder is when group of files together that are kept so that we can easily manage them and we put them together is called a folder. Like, let's say for an example, you are having online classes, you are getting daily worksheets. Similarly, your sibling is also getting daily worksheets, so these worksheets can all mess up together. For this, you can easily segregate by making two different folders, one folder with your name, second folder with your sibling's name. Now whatever worksheet is coming for you, you keep it in your folder. Whatever worksheet is coming for your sibling, you keep it in his or her folder. So this way it's easy for you. Whenever you want to do your homework, you will just click on your folder, you will manage all the files over there accordingly. Now in folder also you can create subfolder, that means folder inside folder. Now there's a, let's suppose that there is a folder of your name. Okay, now when you click on it, when you double click it, it will open, and there you will make subfolders like Hindi, English, Math. You keep all your Hindi note worksheets in Hindi folder, English worksheets in English folder, likewise. Okay, so we can create folder inside folder, and in these folders you can keep your files also. Fine. So children, this was your worksheets. Your worksheets will remain easily reachable to you, and it's easy for you to manage your files. So today in this session we studied about Windows File Explorer. We studied about what is a file, what is a folder, what are subfolders. In next session we will study about how to create a folder and manage the folders. Fine. So go through this video again. If you have any query, you can ask me, and happy learning.